In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Brand Kit in Canva. The Brand Kit is a powerful feature that helps you keep your designs consistent and on brand, whether you're working alone or with a team. Instead of choosing your colors and fonts from scratch every single time, you can set them up once, then apply them to any design in just a few clicks. First, open Canva and look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Brand. Go ahead and click on that. This takes you to your Brand Kit area, which is where you'll set up and manage all your brand assets. Once you're in the brand section, you'll see different areas for things like logos, brand colors, and brand fonts. Start with your logo. You can upload your primary logo file here, so it's always easy to find. If you have multiple versions, like a full color logo and a simple icon, you can upload those as well and keep them together. Next, set up your brand colors. These are the main colors that represent your brand, like your primary color, accent colors, and any neutrals you use often. Click to add a new color, then either paste in the exact hex code or use the color picker to choose the shade you want. Once you've added your palette, these colors will show up in the color options whenever you're designing, so you don't need to remember or re-enter them later. After that, choose your brand fonts. You can set a font for headings, another for subheadings, and one for body text. Pick fonts that you use regularly and that match your brand style. If you always use a certain size or style, like bold for headings, you can set that here too. This makes it much easier to keep your text looking consistent across all your designs. Now, when you open any design in Canva, you'll be able to access your brand kit directly. Your logos will appear in the uploads or brand section, your brand colors will be available in the color picker, and your brand fonts will show up in the text styles. Instead of guessing, you simply apply your preset options. Using the brand kit saves time, keeps everything looking professional, and ensures that every design feels like it belongs to the same brand. Once you've set it up, every new project becomes faster, easier, and